Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Make sure you have a 5G SIM and a handset that supports 5G bands. The plan must include 5G access. Once done, open the Airtel Thanks app and confirm it's updated to the latest version. This avoids menu differences. Next, grant location and network permissions so the app can detect available 5G. Finally, turn on mobile data and select the Airtel network. This prepares the device to view 5G provisioning options in the app. Once the app detects eligibility, navigate to the Profile or Services tab and tap the 5G or Network Settings option. You'll see either an Activate 5G button or instructions for a SIM swap. Choose the appropriate action and follow the on-screen verifications. This confirms your identity and plan status. Make sure you accept any terms and complete OTP or KYC prompts. After confirmation, the app often requests a device restart. Restart to allow new network provisioning to take effect and to register on 5G cells. After reboot, you must set your phone's preferred network mode to include 5G in system mobile settings. This ensures the device will connect to 5G cells when available. Then, check for the 5G icon in the status bar and run a quick speed test to validate throughput and latency improvements. If 5G does not appear, try a short sequence. Toggle airplane mode, power cycle the device, and reinsert the SIM. If problems persist, contact Airtel support with your SIM and device details for provisioning help.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.